ओम कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण गोविन्दाय नमः। सीतारामभ्यो नमः। मातृविचरण कमलभ्यो नमः। गोब्राह्मणभ्यो नमः। सर्वदेवाय नमो नमः। सर्वे गुरुभ्यो नमः। Jai Sitaram, Jai Shri Krishna. Today is a great day. First of all, I am wishing you all a very great day, and this day brings for you so many happy enjoyment, joy, and prosperous in your life. My dear viewers, you are my trustworthy viewers, and the Gita series, the Holy Book Gita series is going on. You are watching and you are just giving your love and affection. So for that, thank you so much. And the highest in me bows down the highest in you. You are the great soul. You are the part of the Supreme Soul. We all are the part of the Supreme Soul, and our ultimate goal is to attain knowledge, enlightenment. So, my dear viewers, already we have discussed till chapter number 7. Today, on this great occasion, I want to give the lesson chapter number 8, which is going to be one of the best chapter. This is called as the yoga of the indestructible Brahma, Akshara Brahma Yoga. Let's start and dive into this process. So, my dear viewers, once again I am telling, please give your love and affection to this channel, because this is the beautiful channel of Gita Talk. After that, I will bring so much good things about pranic healing, mind coaching, life coaching, counseling, all things will be covered on this talk in this channel. So please stay connected, as our holy book is Gita. So first I thought this is the best thing, that first I have to give the Gita talk, because Gita is our holy book and it is the life-changing book of ours actually. So in this process, now I am in the 8th chapter, Akshara Brahma Yoga. So please like, subscribe this channel to give notification, to get notification more and more about the upcoming videos. Thank you all. Arjunovacha किं तद्ब्रह्म किमध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं गुप्तमधिदैवं किमुच्यते. Arjun said, Krishna, what is that Brahma, absolute, what is Adhyatma and what is Karma, what is called Adhibhuta and what is termed Adhideva, divine intelligence. अधिजज्ञ कथं कुत्र देहेऽस्मिन् मधुसूदन प्रयाण कले च कथं ज्ञेयोऽसि नियतात्मभिः. Krishna, who is Adhideva, Adhijnana, here and how does he dwell in the body? And how are you to be realized at the time of death by those who steadfast mind? Listening this talks of Arjun, then the God said, Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, Aksharang Brahma Paramang Svabho Dhatmamuchyate Bhuta Bhavoddhava Karo Visarga Karma Sangitaha. Shri Bhagavan said, the supreme imperishable is Brahma, one's own self is called Adhyatma, and the primal resolve of God which brings from for the existence of beings is called karma, action. Adhibhutam charo bhavaha purusastadidaivatan adhijagyo hame vatra dehe deha vrutang navara. All perishable objects are adhibhuta. The shining purusa is adhideva, and in this body I myself dwelling as the inner witness am adhijnana, O Arjun. अंतकाले च मामेव स्मर मुक्त्वा कलेवरं ज प्रयाति समद्भावं जाति नास्त्यत्र संशय. He who departs from the body thinking of me alone even at the time of death attains my state, there is no doubt about it. जंग जंग बापी स्मर भावं त्यजत्तंत्रे कलेवरं तं तमे भीति कुंतय सदा सद्भाव तद्भाव भावति. Arjun, thinking of whatever entity as one leaves the body at the time of death, that and that alone one attains being ever absorbed in these thoughts. तस्मा सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरदुद्य च मयर्पित मनोर्बुद्धिमविस्य संशयसम्. Therefore, Arjun, think of me at the times and fights. With mind and reason, the state and me, you will doubtless come to me. Avyasa yoga juktena chetasa nanyagamina paramang purusang divyang jati parthanu chintayan. Arjun, he who with his mind disciplined through yoga in the form of practice of meditation and thinking of nothing else is constantly engaged in contemplation of God, attains the supremely effulgent divine Purusa God. Kabing Purana Manusasitarang Marano Manoraniyang Samanoradyang Sarvasya Dhatarapachintya Rupa Maditya Varnang Tamasa Parastata. He who contemplates on all the knowing, ageless being, the ruler of all, subtler than the subtle, the universal sustainer, possessing a form beyond human conception, effulgent like the sun and far beyond the darkness of ignorance. Prayana kale manasachalena bhaktya yukta yoga valena chaiva bhruvor madhye pranamabhesya samyak satang parang guru samupeti divyang. Having by the power of yoga firmly held the life breath in the space between the two eyebrows, even at the time of death, and then contemplating on God with a steadfast mind, full of devotion, he reaches verily that supreme divine Purusa God. Jadaksharang veda vidavanti visanti jadyatayo vitaragaha jadichanto brahmacharya charanti tate padang sangana pravakye. I shall tell you briefly about that supreme goal, that is God, who is an embodiment of truth, knowledge and bliss, who is the knower of the Veda, term of the imperishable, who is striving, recluses, free from passion, merged into and desiring, who is the celibate's practice Brahmacharya. Sarvadvarani sanjamya manorudhi niruddhya cha murdhadayatmana pranamastito yogadharanam. उमीतगाक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरान्मानुमपरं जपयाति तदन्देहं ददाति परमं गतिं. Having controlled all the senses and firmly holding the mind in the heart, and then drawing the life breath to the head, and thus remaining steadfast in yogic concentration on God, he who leaves the body and departs uttering the one indestructible Brahma, Om, and dwelling on me in my absolute aspect reaches supreme goal. Because Om is the powerful thing, which is the combination of Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Ananya Chetaham Jomang Smarati Nityasa Tasyahang Suravang Partha Nityajuktasya Yogina. Arjun, whosoever always and constantly thinks of me with undivided mind, to that yogi ever absorbed in me, and I am easily attainable. Mamupetya punarjanma dukkhalaya mathasvatang mapnapnuvanti mahatmana sandiddhing paramangataha. Great souls who have attained the highest perfection, having come to me, are no more subject to transitory rebirth, which is the abode of sorrow and transient by nature. Abrahma bhuvanaloka punaravatinarjuna Mamupetyatu kunteya punarjanmana vidyate. Arjun, all the words from Brahmalok, the heavenly realm of the creator Brahma, downwards are reliable to birth and rebirth, but O son of Kunti, on attaining me there is no rebirth, for while I am beyond time, regions like Brahmaloka being conditioned by time are transitory. Sahasra Juga Paryanta Mahadya Brahmano Shilviduhu Ratring Yoga Sahasrantrang Teho Ratra Vido Jana. Those yogis who know from realization Brahma's day as covering 1,000 Mahayugas, and so this night as extending to another 1,000 Mahayugas, know the reality about time. Abhyaktad Bhaktaya Sarvaha Prabhavantyah Ragami Ratragami Praliyante Tatriva Bhakta Sanjake. All embodied beings emanate from the unmanifest Brahma subtle body. At the coming of the cosmic day, at the cosmic nightfall, they merge into the same subtle body of Brahma known as unmanifest. Bhutagrama Sahevayang Bhutva Bhutva Praliyate Ratragami vasa partha prabhavatya ragami. Arjun, this multitude of beings being born again and again is dissolved under compulsion of its nature at the coming of the cosmic night and rises again at the commencement of the cosmic day. जतस्मातु भावन्यो व्यक्तो व्यक्ता सनातनः जास सर्वेषु भूतेषु नश्यन्तु न विनश्यति. Far beyond even this non-manifest, there is yet another non-manifest existence, that supreme divine person who doesn't perish even though all beings perish. अव्यक्तोऽक्षर इत्युक्तस्तमाहु परमं गतिं जं प्राप्य न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम. The same unmanifest which has been spoken of as the imperishable is also called the supreme goal. That again is my supreme abode, attaining who is the return not to this mortal world. Purusa sa parapartha bhaktya labhyasva sananya jasyantastani bhutani jena sarva midam tatam. Arjun, that eternal unmanifest supreme Purusa, in whom all beings reside and by whom all this is prevailed, is attainable only through exclusive devotion. Jatra kale tvanaproti maprating chaiva yoginah prayata jantitam kalang bhakshami varatarsava. Arjun, I shall now tell you the time departing when yogis do not return and also the time departing when they do return. Agni Jyotirah Suklaha Sanmasa Uttarayanam Tatra Prayata Gachanti Brahma Brahma Vidojana. Of the two paths, the one is that which are station of all effulgent fire god and deities presiding over daylight, the bright fortnight and the 6 months of the northward course of the sun respectively, proceeding along it after death. Yogis who have known Brahma, being successively led by the above gods, finally reach Brahma. Dhumuratri Sada Krishnaha Chanmasa Dakshinayanam Tatta Chandramasang Jyotir Yogi Prapya Nivartate. The other path is that wherein are stationed the gods, presiding over smoke, night, the dark fortnight, and the 6 months of the southward course of the sun. The yogi devoted to action with an uninterested motive, taking to this path after death, is led by the above gods, one after another, and attaining the lustre of the moon, and enjoying the fruit of his meritorious deeds in heaven, returns to this mortal world. Shukla Krishne gati hote jagata satvati mate ekaya jatyana bhroti manyatya vartati punaha. For these two parts of the world, the bright and the dark, are considered to be eternal, preceding by one of them, one reaches the supreme state from which there is no return, and proceeding by the other, one returns to the mortal world, that is become subject to birth and death once more. Naite smuti partha jnana jogi muhyati kaschan tasma sarvesu kalesu yoga yukta bhava Arjuna. Knowing thus the secret of these two paths, O son of Kunti, no yogi gets deluded. Therefore, Arjun, at all times be steadfast in yoga in the form of equanimity, that is, strive constantly for my realization. Vedesu yajñesu tapasu jaiva danesu janesu jatpunyak param pradishtam atyeti tascha sarvamidam vivadditam yogi parang sthanamupeti tadyam. The yogi, realizing this profound truth, doubtless transcends all the rewards enumerated for the study of the Vedas as well as for the performance of the sacrifices, austerities, and charities, and attains the supreme and primal state. Om Tassaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishad Brahma Vidya Shastri Shri Krishna Arjuna Sambhadi Akshara Brahma Yoganamo Ashtamadhyayah. Thus in the Upanishad, sung by the Lord, Science of Brahma, the scripture of Yoga, dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, is the 8th chapter, entitled the Yoga of the Indestructible Brahma, Brahmamaya Jagata. Oh my dear viewers, you are my trustworthy viewer. Once again I am just appeal to you, please like and subscribe this channel more and more and get the notification which is going to be drastical change in your life, because first I am just doing in English, after that in Hindi, in different language also. I will bring so many fruitful things for which is going to be very perfect and make perfect your life. So thank you for watching. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। प्राणियों में सद्भाव रहे, लोगों की खुशियां रहे, जीवन में आनंद रहे, सबका मंगल हो, जीवन में सब उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति करे, सबका मंगल हो। सीताराम की जय, सीताराम की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति।